A scuffle broke between JAC against the brutal killing of KAKWA and wounded of 7 persons of NAOREM LEIKAI and police today at KAKWA LEIKAI Singjamai. The scuffle happened during a sit-in protest held today at KAKWA LEIKAI. The protesters demanded befitting punishment of the accused who shot KAKWA. Kasper was killed and 7 others were injured in a clash between 2 families in NAOREM LEIKAI Amujao, Sofa LEIKAI on Saturday last when a violent clash erupted between 2 groups. In retaliation to the protesters pelting stones, police fired tear gas shells. According to sources, 2 police personnel were injured during the incident. Myanmar police fired stun grenades to disperse protesters in the city of Yangon today as foreign ministers of neighboring countries were due to hold talks with the military in an effort to quell deadly violence. According to media reports, the talks comes 2 days after the bloodiest day of unrest since the military removed Aung San Suu Kyi's elected government a month ago, unleashing anger and mass street protests across Myanmar. India reports 12,286 new cases, 12,464 discharges, and 91 deaths in the last 24 hours as per the Health Ministry. A media report says COVID-19 total cases in India have now reached 1,11,24,527. 1,07,98,921 individuals have been discharged and the total death toll has jumped to 1,57,248. India's active cases now stand at 1,68,358. The results of local body elections in 27 districts of Gujarat, which includes 81 municipalities, 31 district panchayats and 231 talukia panchayats, will be announced today. The ruling BJP, which earlier won the polls held for 6 municipal corporations, is anticipating a victory in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's home state, where assembly elections are due early next year. An earthquake of magnitude 2.9 on the Richter scale hit central Assam's Marigao and Sontipur district at 1:32 a.m. today. As per National Center for Seismology, the epicenter of the earthquake was 56 kilometers southwest of Tezpur. The quake struck at a depth of 15 kilometers from the surface. No report of loss of life or damage to property has been received yet. Day temperatures are likely to be above normal in northeast parts of East and West India as per the Indian Meteorological Department. A media report informed that IMD in its summer forecast for March to May say that it has forecast a likelihood of below normal temperatures in the south and adjoining central India. The World Health Organization has warned against using anti-inflammatory drug hydroxychloroquine in efforts to prevent infection with COVID-19. According to reports, a WHO expert panel today found that the medicine had no meaningful effect on deaths or hospitalizations and may even increase the risk of adverse effects. Earlier, hydroxychloroquine was publicized as a COVID-19 treatment by former President Donald Trump and later deemed ineffective. Indonesia's Mount Sinabung volcano set a cloud of hot ash as high as 5 kilometers (3.1 miles) today in its first big eruption since August last year, the country's volcanology center said. A media report said Mount Sinabung's activity has increased since last year and the alert for the volcano in North Sumatra province has been placed at the second highest level. No casualties were reported.